How to unforget a Bluetooth device on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Navigate to the option of Bluetooth. Make sure you have enabled Bluetooth in your device. Now over here you will find the section of My Devices. Under this you're going to find all the devices that you are connected to. In order to unforget a Bluetooth device on iPhone, you will need to firstly connect. So make sure that device has enabled Bluetooth. Once it has enabled Bluetooth, it's going to appear in this list. You just have to click on the name of that device and you will be connected. Once connected, it's going to appear in this list. So this way you can easily unforget a Bluetooth device on iPhone. You just have to connect to the device that you want to unforget. Well, that's all for this video. This was really simple and quick process. This way you can easily unforget a Bluetooth device on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.